What should I bring with me for my meeting with my attorney?
Well, it's a little different if it's been auto case versus if it's a premises liability or products liability case. Let's start with if it's an automobile accident case. The things that I typically like to get from the outset are my client's own insurance policy, so I can determine what kind of benefits and coverages my client has that he may be able to obtain from his own insurance company. I like to see the police report if there has been one. I definitely want to see all communication that has taken place between my client and any insurance company for the other side. Those are the three most important things. It's important for the client to be able to tell me all of the places where they've received any of their medical treatment, and perhaps some documentation of their income and where they work and what their income loss has been. If it's not an automobile case, let's say it's a premises liability case, if at all possible, pictures are the most important evidence. If you can possibly have photographs showing what the condition was like at the time that you were injured, so that we have a sense of whether it really looks like a bad or a dangerous condition that explains why you were injured. This is very often true in slip and fall cases because the substance that causes a slip and fall isn't going to be there for very long. It usually gets cleaned up within 10 or 15 minutes. So if there's any way of having photographs to show what the condition was, that would be important. Other premises liability, the condition doesn't change so much. Let's say you have a bad sidewalk or an uneven walking surface or a bad handrail in a stairway. But photographs to preserve the evidence are critical. If you have an injury, whether it's an automobile or any other type of injury where the injury is visible, photographs that show the injury when the injury is fresh or very noticeable can be incredibly valuable and important and persuasive evidence.